estorbohin niyo pa si Chief PNP Marbil. You are in a Senate committee hearing. Nanumpa po kayo kanina, sabihin yung the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth to
Yes,
this committee. And
I
nagsimula na
understand.
po kayong sumagot.
I understand it, Your Honor.
General,
Pero
you are being
marami po.
commanded. You are being commanded to answer the question before this committee.
Madam Chair,
Senator De La Rosa.
if I may,
Yes.
in as much as I want to know the truth, but I understand the predicament of General Macapas. Alam ko kung anong sitwasyon niya ngayon. Kung pwede, pagbigyan muna natin siya this time. Kung pwedeng, alam ko sitwasyon niya ngayon eh. Pero
So you
Kung
are
pwede-
requesting
kung
what,
pwedeng,
Senator De La Rosa?
mapagbigyan natin siya ng executive session kung gusto niya.
Nasaan ka, General?
Your Honor, please,
SP
nandito lang po
Pro
ako sa Camp Crame, sir. I can run up to the Senate immediately, sir.
You will be
Alas
here in
5.
1 hour. May rush hour pa. So,
General,
Madam Chair, Madam Chair.
yes,
if I may-
Senator De La Rosa.
Ako, General Macapas, nothing personal between us. Alam ko magaling ka na opisyal. I trust you. Pero, ang mali mo lang, hindi mo na control itong scam artist mo na action
Scammer.
agent. Yun lang ang akin sa'yo. Naniniwala ko sa'yo na wala ka, you are not a party to this whatever yung grand design na pinaplano kung sinong nasa likuran nito ni Mary Ann Maslog. Alam ko, honest ka na tao. Hindi mo lang na-control itong kuan mo, itong agent mo. Kaya, kasi hindi mo control dahil somebody from above you is the one controlling her.
baka ano?
Direkta ito. Direkta ito tumatawag. Very iwan information ko. Direkta tumatawag ito doon sa Malacanang. Kaya, I understand your situation.
Bago,
Okay lang, Madam Chair.
Salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. Bago ko tawagin ang SP Pro Tempore, there is a pending motion, pero rather than put it to a vote, gusto kong itanong sa mga colleagues kung merong sumisegunda na mag-executive session tayo on this important issue at this time, or kung merong nag-o-object dahil yun, I want to seek the opinion of the colleagues about the option of
speak, Madam Chair,
executive session. Yes, Senator De La
ako,
Rosa.
I want to open up sa inyo. Hindi po masama ang loob ko kung ayaw ninyo i-grant, ha? Kasi alam ko, nagpalabas na kayo ng sa loobin nyo kanina na ayaw
Opo,
nyo.
opo.
Ako lang, being former policeman, naintindihan ko lang yung sitwasyon ni General Macapas.
I
Kaya
understand.
kaya ako pinalabas. Pero kung ayaw ninyo, I don't have to go to dividing the house. Okay na
Salamat
ako sa inyo.
Wala.
Ako, pinalabas ko lang sa loobin ko dahil naawa ko sa kanya. Alam ko sitwasyon niya.
I understand
Yun lang,
po,
Madam Chair. Thank you.
Senator De La Rosa. SP Pro Tempore?
Ako, nagugulan na ako, sir. Kasi masyadong nagtitiwala ka dito sa kay Mary Ann Maslog.
Mhm.
Wala ba kayong relasyon?
Ibalik ko sa tinatanong ng chair sa mga miyembro ang opinion natin dun sa option na mag-executive session. Yes,
Madam Chair,
Senator Joel.
if I may, and this is with all due respect, and my good friend Senator Bato would understand where I'm coming from, and just to be consistent with my position here in this August chamber, that an executive session, we warrant executive session if it's only national security and all. Madam Chair, to actually see a certain Mary Ann Maslog, nasabi ho ng Senado committee report, it's official report, na nirerekomenda ng committee ng Senado ang pagpa-file ng charges sa for the Department of Justice to charge and prosecute in court the persons listed below, Supreme Court to disbar the lawyer named below, Bureau of Internal Revenue to sue the persons named below. At number 1 ho dito yung Mary Ann Maslog. False testimony perjury in solemn affirmation as defined and penalized in Article 183 and Revised Penal Code, corruption of public officials as defined and penalized in Article 212 of the Revised Penal Code, violation of Section 3B in relation to the second paragraph of Section 3K, Republic Act number 1319 or the anti-graft law, violation of presidential decree, falsification of public documents, etc., tax evasion. Madam Chair, tapos sila General Macapas,
Madam Chair.
dadalhin sa Indonesia, dadalhin sa custodial. Tapos ngayon, papayag tayo sa executive session. So
Madam
for me,
Chair.
Madam Chair, and let me
Chair.
just put it on record, I am not in favor of an executive session.
Madam Chair.
Noted, Senator Joel. And before the chair wants to address General Macapas, Senator Sherwin, and then
General,
SP
very
Pro
simple lang
Tempore.
naman yung tanong. Nung unang pagbisita nyo doon, may sinabi sa inyo itong si Maslog na i-reveal yung information sa inyo. Ano yung information na yon? Sinabi nyo rin kanina na hindi nagtugma yung information na ibinigay ni Go Huaping sa inyo. So, balikan natin. Ano ba yung information na sinabi niya sa inyo na nakumbinsi kayo na papasukin siya sa loob ng custodial center? Ano yung information na yon?
General.
Your Honors, please, there are statement na we need to needs further validation namin. Kaya as of now, hindi ko talaga po siya pwedeng i-public dahil
Sabi niyo, General, there are statements that need further validation. Meaning may mga statements na nava-validate nyo na. I think with all due respect kay Senator De La Rosa, na who expressed his solidarity with you bilang dati yung comrade in arms sa institusyon ng PNP. But the overriding sentiment here in the committee, I must impress upon you, General. I am, with all due respect, compelling you to disclose. Kasi ang mas isasagot nyo sa amin, yung nabavalidate nyo na, it's about the raid. It's about that raid in Bamban. Ito yung closure na kailangan ng komite at ng ating mga kababayan tungkol sa investigasyong ito. Please don't be the one to stand in the way of that. So ano na po ba yung nabavalidate nyo?
Your Honors, please, talagang nanonood po kasi ako sa ano ninyo, Your Honor, sa mga hearings ninyo. Just this afternoon lang, hindi kasi naging busy po. Nag-log in lang po ako nung na-mention yung pangalan ko. Your Honors, please. There are other vital information na hindi pa po na-disclose.